Okay, you guys wanted me just to post whatever cack I'm doing, so that's what I'm doing. We've got to replace the leisure battery in my T25 Camper Westfalia. Yeah. Oh, I'll just sit down for a second. Okay, it's under the seat there. I'm just going to show you how to move the seat in a second as well, because I always forget, so I should watch the video again. I haven't got my glasses on, so you might not recognise me from my normal channel. But it's me, and I'm in civilians, so cause I thought it's not going to get dirty, am I? I'm not going to get dirty. Wife's not going to kill me. Yeah, so I bought this leisure battery, 7, 8 years ago, sort of thing. Then the camper van went to my dad's for a few years, a couple of years ago for hibernation, because we stopped using it. And then the sister then nicked the battery for the caravan, and so basically it's a bit buggered. I'm sure it's repairable. So I've just bought another one. I'll show you in a minute, and where we get the other one out, and we'll talk through stuff. So let's get the other battery out, because this is just a quick 10-minute video. Should be anyway. Okay, first thing to do if you're dealing with anything electrical is open a can of beer first. We'll do that. T25 battery is behind the passenger seat / driver's seat. If it's a left-hand drive, this is a left-hand drive. See, come from Germany. That's why the steering wheel makes it a little bit tricky, but I think it's the same principle about rotating the seat. So basically, the seat runner, if it's in its normal position, you can open up a bit of carpet, but you can't lift the battery out. There's normally a metal lid on this as well. I took this off because I fitted a bigger battery, which was taller, misses the seat, but had to take the lid off. But now our new one's smaller. But anyway, let's get to that in a minute. So you can't get your battery out. Well, especially this big battery anyway, with the seat like this. You need to spin it around 180 degrees, and I'll show you how to do that now. So, little coat hanger hook at the front, you push it down, you can start spinning your chair around. It's the old swivel seat, so I don't know what you do if you haven't got a swivel seat, you don't swivel it, I guess. Once it starts getting 90 degrees, then you get caught up on the carpet. You spin it, and then you start putting the seat recliner, and you start putting the seat forward, recline it forward. Spin it a bit more, and it goes low enough to actually get it under the steering wheel. And then you'll have to slide the seat back again because it then hits the cupboard. But now we've got it 180 degrees, and now we've got room to get the battery out. Which will come round, and then you lift the seat up a little bit, use your elbow, disconnect the battery already because I already had that out the other day. What a carry on. Okay, these are the two batteries, old one there, new one there. Ordered the original one from a company called Alpha Batteries, so I thought I'll order the new one from there as well. It's just easy. And they do a special one, or it's listed for the camper van. Both same size, 80 Ls, whatever, 80 amperes. Be nice to get 100 in there, but without spending lots of money. So actually, at least the battery's a little bit smaller than it was originally, so it should give a bit more clearance. Not that the terminal ever hit the bottom of the seat base. There's a warning on this one, just to remove some sort of air filtery cap little thing, so I've done that. And yeah, we've just got to pop it back in now. Same process, make sure you get your terminals all around the right way. Well, there you go, easy enough. Terminals back on. I've ordered up a little monitor. It monitors the amps as well, so you have to do it on the negative. You sort of disconnect the negative and then use like a little shunt resistor type monitor type thing. So it'd be nice just to know how much we're draining and stuff. On the old Westphalias, you do have these. Again, this Westphalia is from the 70s, 80s. So yeah, this is 80s. So you've got a little panel here which half works, although it says less than 12 volts. So God knows if these batteries come charged or not, or maybe this panel's wrong. But yeah, de-icer there. That turns, I think, the de-icer on in the water bucket, so you can melt your water if it's really cold. Jesus, don't want to be ever doing that. And it shows you a little display there of how much your water got. Never pay attention to it. Oh, look, now it's, yeah, see, took a bit of time, but it got there. Now it thinks it's 12.5 volts. So what we can do now is turn the central heating on, because this has got a diesel-powered heater, which is sort of the cause of the problem, is because it wasn't working, it kept shutting off, and then realised it's because low voltage. So yeah, got a new battery, so we should be able to get the heater going now. Here's our heater, so we just whack it onto heat. Again, this is all standard Westfalia stuff. Bit old school, but it works, I know people swap them to the old LPG ones and stuff, but hopefully we'll try it. So you flick it on, whether you can hear it or not. You can hear a fan come on, and if it's got good enough voltage, you'll hear a ticking noise in a minute, which is the diesel fuel pump, and that means that it's lit as well and generating heat. But it spins the fan first, and then if it thinks there's enough battery juice. I tested it the other day by there you go, can you hear it? Tick, tick, tick. Yeah, yeah, so that's good. It should run without the engine running, but I turned the engine on the other day and it obviously started working. So obviously once you've got an engine running, you're charging the battery. Well, there you go. You wanted a video, a short video. My other thing I'm doing next is trying to rig up my gas-powered pizza oven that my daughter bought me last year for Christmas or birthday. They got stuck on the old evergreen. It says it runs on LPG, so I've bought some gas fittings because I keep just taking the rubber pipes off things. So I bought some gas fittings. So what it allows me to do is cut the pipe that's on the current pin, so that works on the gas bottle. But then I can then use it on here and do the hose on here and stuff in the LPG tank. But anyway, if I get time to do a video on that, I've run out of time today. So there we go. I'll change the battery. I think we've got duck legs for breakfast. Duck for breakfast, for dinner. Duck orange, something like that. And Hasselback potatoes. That beer. All right. Stay safe, everyone. Little video. Yeah, hit the like button, please. Subscribe and check out my other videos if you are just here just to see how to change a battery, because I do some even madder stuff. And yeah, again, thank you WHM at Auto Body. I forgot to say, the battery was about £85. I paid an extra £3 for next day delivery, so I ordered it. Technically, I did order it Tuesday night, it arrived Thursday, but if you get your orders in before 3 PM, the website says you get them the next day. So if you want to do that, there you go. So I'll try and put a link in. Not affiliated, I paid for the battery and everything.